So hello everyone. It's always a pleasure, coming back to Nalsar. Though this time it is on a virtual mode, but meeting Pinaki sir, Siddharth sir, Murthy sir, like few of my friends from the first batch, it's just a splendid feeling right now that I'm having, and I'm actually nostalgic. So I would like to. So I'm just I'm just trying to take a couple of minutes to construct my thoughts as well, because such an overwhelming feeling to be back and to see all of you. It's just amazing. It's just amazing. And actually thank Priyanandan sir, Murthy sir, Pinaki sir, and Siddharth sir to take that the time off from their busy schedule and organize such a meet. Because I always feel, see, I'm from Don Bosco. Don Bosco always had a strong alumni platform, and all the present people today has somehow or the other has benefited from this strong alumni contact or connect, whatever, or platform. So I feel that any regular course should have an alumni, should have a platform which gives an opportunity to the alumni to come back and share their industry experience, share their practical experience with the upcoming students. Because the field that we are dealing, that is management, or for that matter law, I feel just by going by the books, just following the books won't help a person in their proper grooming. If you have to have a proper grooming in the field of management or in the field of law, the practical exposure or the practical knowledge is very, very, very essential. Apart from the subject knowledge, it's very essential. You cannot do without that. Now, Murthy sir gave me some amount of time to kind of talk about my experiences and my our experiences and our journey when we started off with the course. To be very honest, when we started off with the course was in a very nascent stage. There was an amendment to companies law in the year 2013, with which there was this corporate provisions of corporate governance was incorporated, and due and thereafter this course also started, which I think it was Fazan sir's idea, our vice chancellor's idea, where he felt that there is no such course in the country which actually incorporates both the management as well as the law, both management and the law subjects together and the concepts together. Because and I very well remember the first speech that sir gave. Sir mentioned about an example, like you can in India there is you can right to pursue any you have the right to pursue any kind of profession that you like. But does that mean that can you also get into a business like smuggling? That's wrong. That's legally it's not correct. So here comes the importance of why a businessman should have a decent, at least have some knowledge of law. Now, when I went to, so I was dealing with Before You Matters, and Before You, the CEO of Before You, the only thing that he does, I'm sure he looks after all the operations, but his major operation was to sign contracts. But if you don't know the essential elements of contract, how on earth you're going to sign a contract and you're going to kind of incorporate that particular contract in your day to day business, or because that contract is going to govern your day to day business. So you have to be very, very careful of what you're signing to. So that's why I feel that this particular course of Nalsar that was designed, and very and I let me tell you, I should inform this to the upcoming alumni that this particular course was inaugurated by the president of the country. So you should feel proud that you have belonged to such an institution, and pursued a course which was inaugurated by the president of the country, who's the first citizen of this country. Something which I feel that you people should, just feel proud of. Now, coming back to my experience in Nalsar, well, when we started off with the course, it was in a very nascent stage, and we had to so we had to do a lot of, we have to advocate our thoughts, advocate our opinions in order to kind of get a lot of things done. But
Oh,
nevertheless, the experience that we got in our first year, it was like almost the students were running the course. And never ever I have seen in any college that it's the students who make that decision. So that is where which I feel when I was a student. I feel that okay, this college has given me the responsibility to kind of do something for ourselves and the batch. I headed the placement committee. I headed the events committee. I was fortunate enough to have people like Anurag, Kuldeep, who helped us, who helped the college to organize their first fest. Because I always felt that college is, an educational institution is just not just about college. It's not just about studies. It is about everything. It is about it's about an uh, in toto grooving. You cannot just have say that okay fine, I've gone to college, I've read these subjects, and I'm done with it. College is all about making friends. It's about living a life. And trust me, in my life I have gained so much from my friends. At times I also say that there was good 10-11 years of my life I've spent with my friends, and they have taken they were my first family. So that is, these sort of elements makes the college life vibrant, makes the college life happy, makes the college life nostalgic, so that you can always look behind, you can always go back, and you can kind of say okay fine, I've been in a place which has given me which has given me all that for which I am today. I'm thankful to everyone. I'm thankful to that particular phase of my life, because of which I'm standing here today. So I feel Nalsar as such has given us that platform. We used to organize 2 to 3 quizzes. Like business, there used to be so many classification of quizzes. I don't think so any college would have organized such quizzes. Like we used to have Harry Potter quizzes. How many college would have done that? So
quizzes.
yeah, business quiz, Harry Potter quiz. We had so many. We had a specialized quiz club, if I'm not wrong, when we were in college.
Right? I remember your Harry Potter quiz. Yeah.
Yeah, we used to, and we did organize the first business quiz in the campus.
Yes. Yes.
And not only that, not our sports. We used to have our cricket tournaments played against the LLMs, against the LLBs. So I'm saying that's what I'm coming to. Like even the Nalsas, even the fest organized by the LLB department. That was amazing. So I always felt that Nalsar as a place has given us that platform, that to take responsibilities, to execute them, and to take charge of those responsibilities, to be responsible for those responsibilities that you've taken. Because but if you cannot take the responsibilities, then giving you the power is futile. It's absolutely futile. So this is where I say that Nalsar has given me that platform where I know that if today I'm given some kind of responsibility, I make sure that I work till the end to execute that particular work and get it closed. And speaking about Nalsar, like Murthy sir, Pinaki sir, Rahul sir, Siddharth sir, I know we as a student of all of you, and I am actually thankful to all of you. Because of you people, today I can kind of voice my opinion anywhere fearlessly, and that is what is absolutely important for a lawyer. I'm pursuing a legal profession. Today I'm practicing on my own. I'm practicing intellectual property rights and criminal law. And if Pinaki sir or Muti sir sometimes give me an opportunity, then I would love to come and take up a class or a session on intellectual property rights and how it is relevant in the business world. On these kind of, I would love to take some sort of sessions with all of you, and let's see how things goes. And I wish everyone all the best. Actually, I was traveling, but I still was mentioned Pitnanda sir, whatever it is. Even if I'm on the road, I'll still attend this particular alumni meet for some time.
Abhishek, I also remember you have an interest in Indian